Hello and welcome back to another episode of Crowing FPV. Now I know I haven't really put out a whole lot recently, and the main reason is because, well, it's a winter wonderland. If you don't know me, I hate the winter. I absolutely hate the winter. Anyway, the wife and I decided to take a little mini vacation up to Duluth. Actually, this is called the Duluth Township, and it's just in between Duluth and two harbors. It's a beautiful, beautiful area, and we got this nice little cabin in the woods. You can see part of it right through there. It's the roof, truck, and whatever. It's absolutely just a beautiful place. And it's probably maybe a mile from Lake Superior, maybe 2 miles from Lake Superior, and it's beautiful.
This trip was just a last-second decision to just go and do it. And we did have some little trials and tribulations, like traffic on the way up. Once we got there, we were setting off smoke alarms. My battery on my truck on the last day that we were there decided that it was not going to hold a charge, and I had to keep jumping it. We had to be out of there at 10 o'clock. It's 9:20 at this point. It was hell. But you know what? It all worked out great. And just look at this beautiful scenery that I got to see here. And if you've ever been to Duluth, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't been to Duluth, I would strongly suggest going to take it for a visit. It's absolutely just gorgeous. And it's my first time there. And I fell in love with it immediately. I hate the winter, I hate the cold, but I would move there in a heartbeat without a problem. I got a chance to go out and get some photographs, as you're seeing here. Since I am a photographer, I could not resist to do photos. But don't worry, I did get some FPV in. You're about to see that here in just a second. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.
So right now, I have, I'm not sure how well we can see it in camera here, but it's early morning, sun's coming up. So I'm going to throw my DJI Mini 2 up in the air. I know it's not an FPV drone, but just wait, I will have an FPV drone. But I'm going to put it up in the air just because, well, it does a good job in getting just nice visuals, nice cinematic visuals, and it allows me to fly around and get a good look of my area right here. So let's go up.
Here I am on my Hexplorer, and if you notice, I'm a little wobbly. Even in my previous flight with my 6-inch long range, I'm a little rusty on the sticks. It's been about a month probably since I've flown, so this is my first and second battery. So I'm just still getting kind of a feel for the drone again. Plus, On the Hexplorer, I changed my rates, and I forgot that I changed my rates, so it felt a little funny. But that's all. Still, enjoyable flights, and I wasn't going for anything special. I was just cruising around. Alright, so here is the final flight of this video, and it's on my 5-inch freestyle, and it's at sundown, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm not going to cut this clip or this flight up any. I'm just going to put it straight out there the way that it was, and it's not a very long one, so you can skip to the end or do whatever you like, or just enjoy the flight, the footage, and my laughable FPV skills. Okay, well, again, thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video, and please hit that like, ring that bell, subscribe, and I will see you again.
Now that's the perfect ending to my last flight in the Duluth area.
It's okay, Bean. It's fine. Your baby is literally sitting at the front door to leave.
She's like, get me out of this crazy house.